What's up, guys? Welcome back to Travel and Fun, and here's another video from us.
So this video is from
Mysore. So we have traveled up to Mysore, and it was like around 3.5 hours from Nilgiris to Mysore. So we have reached. So this is exactly not Mysore. This is in the outskirts of Mysore.
35 kilometers from the center, Mysore center.
Yeah.
So this place is called Somnathapuram.
And I'm all in a Bhakti Marg. You can see me. Yeah.
So
this
here
is
you have like a old stone carved temple.
It looked amazing in Google Photos and maps.
Which was built on
1270 AD or something. Yeah.
868, I don't know, somewhere. You can check it out at Google.
Look at this guy. Say hi. Hi. So this place is the Somnathpura Keshava temple. So we parked our car over there just behind the white one. So actually I thought that it's a very big temple like Murdeshwar and all, but it's not. And the timings are from 8:30 to 5:30. Yeah. And it's really beautiful. Let's go ahead and see what's inside.
Here you have to take this ticket only through Google Pay.
Yeah, and
you have to scan this barcode. And
no, this barcode is not working here.
Okay.
So you have to enter the website asi.ku.
They have written all the steps here, so you can just come here and follow the steps.
Huh? So guys, all about this Keshava temple in Somnathpur is written over here. Those who wants to read this can pause the video right here and read it. Okay, and you have it in Hindi, English and Kannada. So guys, we took a guide here because it's very important to have a guide because it's really huge inside we saw, and there should be a lot of things to listen. So a lot of history behind this. And what he told us is that it's not a temple where puja is done. So it's a historical place which is under the Archaeological Survey of India. So we need to listen to the guide. So the rate is fixed by the Department of Tourism, and it's 300 rupees for the guide. And he will explain in English, Hindi, and English, Hindi, Kannada. He will explain it. So what is your good name?
Devaraja.
Devaraja.
Yeah.
So his name is Devaraja. So whenever you guys come here, so now the crowd is very less because of this COVID situation and all. But whenever you guys come here, you can take help of a guide and see the temple. It's actually huge, amazing. Yeah. So we will listen to the story of the Somnathpur Keshava temple with Devaraja.
Welcome to you. Myself Devaraja. First now we can see the inscription. This is the 13th century old inscription, local language, Kannada. This is the old Kannada inscription. It has information about this temple. Who built this temple, when, who contributed the land, money, donation, all details are there. According to this inscription, this temple built in 13th century.
13th century.
Yes, 1268 AD.
Okay.
Built by one of the chief officers of the Vaisala dynasty by name Somanatha.
Oh.
That's why this place is called Somanathapura.
Oh, okay.
Somanatha, it means a Shiva.
Yeah.
But this temple, but this is not a Shiva temple. This temple mainly dedicated to Vishnu, called Keshava temple.
Okay.
Inside we have three separate Garbhagruhams are there.
Okay.
The first one Krishna temple called Venugopala, second one and third one both are Vishnu temple called Keshava and Janardana. But these three temples are not a puja temple. There is no any puja and abhisheka going on because this temple 2 times attacked by the Muslims in 1311 and 1326. During 1311, Malik Kafur, he came from Delhi, chief commander of Alauddin Khilji. He looted the city, carried away all the wealth of the city and camels. After some time, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Sultan of Delhi, he again invaded this place and carried away entire wealth of the city and camels in 1326. According to Hindu custom, Hindu people don't worshipping broken idols, damaged statue. That's why when this temple attacked by them, they destroyed the main idol inside the Garbhagruha, which was worshipped by the people. That's why this temple not a puja temple, just like a museum or monument. In this temple, actually entire temple they use the materials is called soap stone or soft stone, mavakallu. Scientifically called cyst, chlorotic cyst. When it is inside the earth will be soft and smooth like a butter. After exposed to weather, gradually it becomes hardened, so it was easy to chisel and carve. Shall we go to the temple? Actually, inside, totally we have 18 pillars are there. 18 pillars and 16 ceilings are there called Bhuvaneshwari in Sanskrit. You can see what a beautifully worked here. So beautiful workmanship is there. Actually, here we have circles. The first one, below one, on the top you can see there is we have small statues are there. Around this circle, 64 Gandharvas are there. Some are drumming.
Stage.
What you seen before, it was completely bud. But here that bud a little bit developed here. Then we can see the next stage. Now, flower little bit opened here. It's starting to bloom. First stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage. Here petals are having open but damaged by the invaders. Like this, flowers slowly, little bit open like this. Finally, here we have fully bloomed. You can see this is the completely bloomed one. When the lotus flower completely bloomed like this. This is the inside back of the lotus flower. This is not an outside view, just like inverted system. Ulta, like that. You can see what a beautiful statue of the Krishna. Here Krishna playing the flute, but flute is broken now. Till start from mouth, it's broken now. Chin also a little bit damaged. That's why this is not worshipping by the people.
Okay.
But you can see the statue, what a beautiful, what a magnificently carved here. Actually, it's look like a metal, but this is also stone.
Stone. Okay.
But they polished like a metallic finish. Like crown, necklaces and decorative ornaments also. You holding Shankha Chakra Gada Padma. You can see all the finger, nail also visible there.
Okay.
What a detailed works here. And also we can observe one thing from chest to belly. From the chest to belly, it's look like a cow face. To highs and mouth like this. You got it? But
Chest
this,
to belly.
you can observe only this portion of the statue. It's look like a cow face, to highs and mouth. But the statue, right leg a toe, big toe, small damaged by them. That's why this is also not worshipping by them. Muhammad bin Tughlaq in 1326. During 1958, the Department of Archaeological Survey of India, when they occupied this temple, they had empty place. That's why they brought this statue from outside. It means it's same complex. We have small rooms are there. This is the structural temple. You can see assemble of stones.
Okay.
So many pieces are there. What small pieces. In one stone they made the hole.
Okay.
In another stone they made like a rod. Then they fix it together.
right,
And also in this, there nothing to use any bonding agents. Mortar, iron, cement like this. Whole temple just fixed like an interlocking system only. In this temple we have layer system, panels like this. First line here we have elephants, second horses, third one flower creeper. This is the fourth line here we have some stories from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, Purana stories are there. In this line here we have different gods, Rama, Krishna, Vishnu, like this. Lions are there. Last panel there is we have erotics from the Kama Sutra. Usually Vishnu always laying on the snake, what we call Shesha Ashayana, but here we have sitting posture. Adishesha it has 7 woods but 3 heads are damaged by the invaders. This is the 5th avatar of the Vishnu in Dashavatara. This is the 5th one, Vamana Avatara. Vishnu came in the form of dwarf man and begs to 3-step gift from Bali Chakravarti. When Bali gave the gift to the Vamana, he becomes Trivikrama. He grows cosmic towards sky. He measures enter earth in the 1 step. This is the 2nd step. He measures between the earth and sky. Brahma worshipped Vishnu's foot. So to pray inside the temple. At the time, priest pouring the Abhishekam waters. Those things came here. It has almost 13 foot length through the inside, single piece of stone, monolithic, called Makara Pranala. Makara, it means crocodile in Sanskrit. Pranala, it means a tube or drainage, just like a pipeline. We can see these animals also called Makara. But these all are not crocodiles, just mythical animal. Combination of 7 animals. I will explain about this animal after. These are all birds, a swan bird vehicle of the Brahma. Rarest position of the Vishnu, because we can't see anywhere Vishnu under the meditation in yoga form. We can see only Shiva, because Shiva god of the yoga. But here we have Vishnu. Just like statues in India, we have only 2. One is in Badrinath. In Badrinath, Vishnu worshipping by the people called Naranarayana or Badrinarayana. But here we have damaged one, that's why this is not worshipping by the people. It means Puja temple in India, we have only 1 temple like this position, that is in Badrinath. Yes, all over the...
Why they damage only nose? Hello?
And this is the Lakshmi, dancing Lakshmi. This is also unusual statue because we can't see anywhere dancing Lakshmi. We can see only the sitting or standing postures, but here we have dancing postures. Saraswati, that is entirely that. You can go anywhere in India. Which temple attacked by the Muslim people? They intentionally, purposefully, they chopped off their noses like this. Because according to Hinduism, nose cut for the insult, for the humiliation. We are already now. Lakshmana cuts Surpanaki nose. He did the religion insult. That's why when when Muslims they attacked the temple, they intentionally, purposefully they chopped the noses like this. They did the religion insult or humiliation. Not only in this temple, you can go anywhere in India. Which temple attacked by the Muslim people, they purposefully they chopped the noses like this. Brahma, what we call Chaturmukha Brahma and also called Yoga Brahma with beard. That's why this is called Yoga Brahma. Then the goddess of the meditation, the Ayurvedic meditation. The pot of Ayurvedic meditation. This is actually
Kurma.
no fish, Matsya Avatar. Which in the form of fish, we can see the face and eyeballs. And this is the second avatar of the Vishnu, Kurma avatar, Vishnu in the form of turtle. Third one, Varaha, you can see here, the wild boar.
Okay.
We are easily identify what is the difference between Matsya and Varaha. It has nose, but there is no nose. And then, fourth avatar of the Vishnu, Narasimha, Lakshmi Narasimha. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha. Vishnu's different avatars.
Vamana Avataram, there we saw.
There is Vamana Avatara, Parashurama, Rama. We are already seen. You can see the Garuda Deva, the vehicle of the Vishnu. You can see Vishnu and Lakshmi here. This side here we have Indra. Indra and his wife Sachi Devi and his vehicle Airavatar, the white elephant. You can see what a magnificent running movement of the elephant. While elephant running, tail has gone up, leg is bent, ears are flattened. Beautiful running movement of the elephant. In this temple, we have stories from the Ramayana, Mahabharata. To temple put like through this single piece of stone, monolithic. What we call Makara Pranada. Makara, you can see this animal. These are all not crocodiles. These are a combination of 7 animals. You can see elephant's tongue, crocodile's mouth, monkey's eyes, cow's ears, pig's body, lion's leg, and peacock's tail. Elephant trunks represent stability. Crocodile's mouth represents grip. Monkey's eyes represent seeing the powerful direction. Cow's ears represent hear the sound sharply. Pig's body represents unity. Lion's legs represent strength, and peacock's tail represents beauty. This is symbolized. This place ruled by Vaisala dynasty. How they ruled in their kingdom. Strong like elephant trunk. Grip like crocodile's mouth. Direction like monkey's eyes. Sharp like cow's ears. Unity like pig's body. Strength like lion legs. And beauty like peacock tail. This is symbolized. Under the weight of our leg, it is bent because of the weight. When it is bent, you can see elephant gives support from the trunk. What a beautiful imagery of the sculpture.
See that. Villa photo.
എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് നോക്കൂ അതിന്റെ തല പൊട്ടിച്ച് കളഞ്ഞിരുന്നു മൂക്ക് ഇല്ല ഇവിടെ തല
ആനയുടെ എടുക്കും
2 തലയും പൊട്ടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് കൊണ്ടാക്കാൻ ആൾക്കാർ എത്ര കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്.
That took 68 years to build this temple. 68 years.
68 years.
Yes, sir. According to inscription, more than 500 artists worked in this place. There is no count for the helpers. Only the main sculptor. More than 500 sculptors worked in this place. In some places we find their names. You can see this is the name of the artist who carved the statue. Their signatures are there. Several names are there. Bameya, Chameya, Chaudaya, Malitamma, Masanatama. Like these several names are there. This is the name of the sculptor only. Before, it means from the I can stand there. This elephant is looking towards to you.
Yeah, correct.
You can stand here.
Yeah.
This elephant is looking towards to us.
Yeah, correct.
But you can stand in the center. Both are looking to you.
Yeah.
നോക്കൂ അത്
This temple platform. This temple aerially views also from the sky. It's looked like a stellar, a star. Around this temple, totally we have 36 corners like this. You can stand in one corner, sir. Please stand there. You can stand in one corner like this. Would you stand here, sir? You can please stand there. You can see the temple from the top to bottom. All temple corners adjust points. It's look like a straight line. See, it's from the top to bottom. Not only this corner, that corner, that corner. You can stand any one corner. You can see from the top to bottom. All are. But now we have 54 rooms only. 10 collapsed. You can see both the sides. 10 collapsed.
Okay.
Now we have only 54 rooms, but all are empty.
Okay.
When this
Actually, why they consider these rooms? What
room,
is
so
the
this is
purpose
just like
of
a
this
compound, just like a compound. We call Suttalaya. They have different statues like that. When they attacked the temple, they destroyed all the statues inside the rooms. Because before there were no any banks or banking system. That's why public temple used it like a treasury or bank. They used to keep treasure inside the temple. Who was the main priest called Dharmadasi? He took all the responsible. That's why they attacked the temple, then looted the temple. When they looted inside the temple, they got something, jewelry, money like this. Then they searched outside. But these are not even temples, just like a compound wall. They had different statues like that. When they searched inside the room, they not got anything there. That's why they hangly destroyed all the images. Now all are empty.
All empty now.
Yeah.
അതെല്ലാം പുറത്ത് വെച്ചിരിക്കണുള്ളത്
And you can see there is we have one big column. This is the column, that is we call Deepastamba. Deepastamba, it means a lamp post. It has a 40 feet height from the ground, the single piece of the stone. Actually, including big and small, this temple it has over 6,000 statues. It is an ocean of arts. It cannot be explained in half an hour, 1 hour, 1 day. It will be weak to explain everything to you. But whatever shown you, only glimpses of this temple. Just like a 2020 cricket match highlights only. Anyway, my name is Devaraja. After my graduations, I had been training under the Department of Tourism 6 months. They taught everything. The philosophy, history and Indian Purana stories also. But we are not paid by the Department of Tourism and Archaeological Survey of India. We are freelance guides we have collected from tourists only. With this, I concluding my guide service. There were any mistakes and there are some languages. Please excuse me.
Thank you so much, Mr. Devaraja. Yeah. So these are the rooms you talked about. So actually there is nothing now.
There were all like small sculptures inside.
Yeah.
And those people destroyed everything. Now only 4-5 are remaining. That's been kept there outside.
Yeah. But what do you feel about this place?
This place is amazing.
Yes.
I was like not sure about this place when we planned this place. But you know, after coming here, I thought this was the best decision I made for today.
Yeah.
This is really very beautiful. Something you have to see, something Indians have to know, like how art was there in their, you know, in the ancient times.
And it's really not nice of the people who destroyed it.
Yeah, they have destroyed, they've cut the noses.
Yeah. And the reason I guess you guys heard about it because for Hindus nose cut is like a humiliation. Yeah. So this.
Nose plays a very important role in every person's face.
Yeah.
It defines the beauty.
Yeah.
But when this nose is not there,
Yeah.
still
That is the
the
reason.
entire place is beautiful. Then
Yeah.
think if every noses were there.
Amazing, amazing. And this is not in like one stone or something. They're built in different stones and then put together. That is
As
what
they
they're.
told, they are all built with soap stones. These soap stones, you know, they'll be very soft like butter inside the earth when they take it. When they get in contact with the air and atmosphere, they will get stronger and stronger. And so these shapes can be built easily when it is soft.
Yeah. And I think that is how they managed to build so much. Yeah. It took 58 years for them to build this temple. And look at the sculptures. See, all noses are gone. So guys, that was Somnathpur Keshava temple for you all.
Yes. So we don't want to extend this video. So we are winding up this video with this.
Yes, and we hope that you guys like this video. This is an amazing temple, as you can see behind
You
us.
have to come here. It is worth spending, you know, a drive 35 kilometers away from Mysore city.
Yes.
And near to this place, there is also a Narasimha temple and a Kubera temple in 1 kilometer radius. If you have time, you can go visit there also.
Yeah. So this was about this temple, and we'll see you guys in the next video in our day at Mysore, and we'll see what all we are going to see in Mysore. So we'll keep you posted. Bye bye.
Bye. എന്താ കൊച്ചി അങ്ങനെ നടക്കണേ?
അത് അതിന്റെ തലയിൽ ഒരു സ്പ്രിങ് ഉണ്ട്. ആ സ്പ്രിങ് അമുങ്ങിയാലേ അതിന്റെ കാല് വർക്കാവുള്ളൂ. അപ്പൊ ഇങ്ങനെ ആക്കുമ്പോൾ സ്പ്രിങ് ചാർജായി അപ്പൊ കാലിക്കുന്നത്.